There I got the Arrma Big Rock 6S. Yeah, this was a Christmas present from my wife. She got me the Big Rock and something else, which I'm gonna throw up there. I'm gonna throw that in there in the next video. Y'all gonna see what that was, but she got the Big Rock 6S and I'm loving it. I like this body. No, actually I love this body. I just added a little pinstriping right there. That's about it. I couldn't find nothing with this, no flaws with this body, so I really didn't have to add nothing, but just check it out. Love this new clipless body. It's easy to take off, easy to put on. This thing is nice and thick. You got places for the for a light kit. I'm trying to wait for Arrma to bring out the light kit because I'll add my own. I ain't got no problem with adding my own. This heavy duty roll cage in here. The body feels pretty sturdy. I don't know if it's the roll cage or what. This body feels sturdy, very sturdy. Look like it could take some hits, even though I'm trying to avoid that, at least for the time being, because I kind of want the white body. Love these mirrors. Love these mirrors. And the thing is, I upgraded the ESC to this car, so I shouldn't have the problem. But I'm going to check to see, because I'm not going to do no heavy bashing, because this is my first run. It's just like a spin around just to check it out, because I really don't know how powerful it is and how it's going to respond. And also, I put the 16-tooth pinion in here, because I ain't want to mess around. I want this thing flying. Even though I'm not in my big bash spot. I'm just in my small mini bash spot. But let's get into it. Didn't mess with none of the punch levels. All I did was just update everything on there. So it oh yeah. Just try not to do too much. This thing, yo, these tires go. I gotta break these tires in though. I ain't gonna lie, I like the speed. Yo, this thing is a rocket. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is a beast already. Hey, see what I'm saying? This is what they put up at my bash spot. You know, my jump is all the way down there. I can't do nothing else. Just give y'all a little slight bash of the car. Can't really do too much. Yeah, these tires are slick. Kind of like that sliding action though, I ain't gonna lie. So far, I like it. I like the drive. Definitely like the drive of this. Whoa. And she had a little willy there. Floats across everything, man. She floats across everything. Jeez. I know I ain't got no air control, so I really don't want no jumps. Try to do a strong power slide. Yeah, this steering is on point. I give it that much. Almost did it. Yo. I don't understand why they got the SLT3 radio, at least the DX3. I mean, it's handling it, but it is like a little slight delay. It's not too bad. Yeah, these tires are not gripping. It does have the feel of the fire team, but not really. Whoa. It has the fire team feel a little bit. Oh. I'm gonna try to go back here, but I kind of see it's hopeless. Yo. The manure. So far, everything is pretty good. Nice handling, system is punching. Very easy to control. The new Crichton, the steering ain't as on point as this. This steering is on point. Very responsive. And then you get a better radio, definitely will make a difference. Now I'm gonna try my little usual jump, but I know that ain't gonna work. I know I shouldn't even try this. Know what this would be nice on this? If they put them EXB parts on here. I'm thinking about upgrading, putting them parts on here anyway. Yeah, I gotta watch my trigger because they got all this stuff back here. So that's why I'm not really going hard on it, because y'all know I'll go hard on this jump. That wasn't bad. It glides in the air so far from this little mini jump. And it's so easy to control. Like, if I hit this spot twice in a row, usually I have a hard time keeping it right there. It's gonna look like the same repeat shot if I don't get a different angle. Yo. Oh God, did I just splash in mud? Oh. Oh my God. Yeah, but them EXB parts on here would not only look great, but then it would just make it that, well, then it would be more money, wouldn't it? Okay, that's a lot of talking. Yeah, this car definitely holds its value in my book. It holds its value in my book. Do a comparison with the Crichton here in this, and compare the drives to the two. I already know how the drive between the drives of the two, but we're gonna do a comparison to that in a upcoming video. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.